A man arrested after a shooting at a Washington event attended by Donald Trump has been charged with trying to assassinate the US president. A judge ordered that 31-year-old Tomas Allen be held in custody until a detention hearing scheduled for Thursday. If convicted, he faces a sentence of up to life in prison.
Washington on high alert as Britain's King Charles arrives for a historic visit, just as new security concerns arise. On the other side of the country, FBI agents continue to conduct inquiries in California, trying to piece together Saturday night's chaotic events here in DC, when a person armed with a shotgun, handgun and knives ran through a hotel security checkpoint towards a ballroom where the White House Correspondents Association dinner was taking place. Secret Service detained a man before he reached the event where the most powerful politicians were in attendance, all evacuated to safety, and nobody was seriously injured.
I will say, look, I say it because I'm a big fan of the people, of law enforcement. And, you know, some of these people, they may be crazy, but they're not stupid, and they figure things out. He ran 45 yards, they say, and he just went to it, and then, boom, he popped through it. I mean, he ran like, I think the NFL should sign him up. He was fast. When you look at it on tape, it's almost like a blur.
Officials said a suspect checked into the hotel a day or two before the dinner and that a manifesto was found outlining hostility towards religion and listing senior government figures as potential targets. Today, 31-year-old Tomas Allen of California appeared in court. He was charged with 2 gun crimes and attempting to assassinate the President of the United States.
Jackie joins us now from Washington, D.C. And Jackie, what more did we learn from this first court appearance of Mr. Cole?
Well, Tomas Allen appeared in a neon blue jumpsuit during that brief court appearance this afternoon when he was charged with an attempt to assassinate the President of the United States. If convicted, that could mean life in prison. He was also charged with 2 gun crimes, transportation of a firearm interstate to commit a felony, and also discharge of a firearm in a crime of violence. Now, a federal prosecutor told the court that Mr. Allen came here to Washington, D.C. with a pump-action shotgun, a pistol and 3 knives, all with the intent of carrying out a political assassination. Mr. Allen did not enter a plea via his lawyers, but he will be back in court here on Thursday for a detention hearing to see if he will stay in custody up until trial.
And Jackie, you referenced it there in your report, but just how high are the concern levels regarding matters of security, especially in light of the fact that just more or less hours after this, Britain's King Charles has arrived?
Yes, right. Amid all of these security concerns, you will have 2 of the most well-known heads of state here in Washington, D.C. this week. Now, in the last hour, King Charles has arrived in Washington, and very shortly he is due to be welcomed at the White House, where he will be given a tour. Then it's on to the British Embassy for a party. Minor adjustments to his schedule due to those security concerns, but no doubt there will be a heightened awareness over the coming days after Saturday's events.
OK, Jackie in Washington, thank you.